Hello friends, welcome to the channel Physics by IITians. In this video, we shall discuss a very important question that has already come in GATE 2020 paper, and it is also important for IIT JAM, for NET, for JEST physics also. So I request you to watch this full video and understand the concept. Don't mug up the formulas, understand it. So let's discuss. The question is, the potential energy of a mass m is given by u of x equals to a sin k square x minus pi by 2, where a is greater than 0 and k square is greater than 0. The question is, the angular frequency of small oscillation of the particle about x equals to 0 is option A, k square root twice a by m, option B, k square root a by m, option C, k square root a by twice m, option D, 2k square root a by m. So first of all, you have to understand what is the question, what are the information given. You are given the information as the potential energy in the form u of x equals to a sin k square x minus pi by 2, where a is greater than 0 and k square is greater than 0. We can write a sin k square x minus pi by 2 as minus a cosine k square x. So cosine k square x can be expanded, and we can write this minus a cosine k square x term as minus a into 1 minus k square x by 2 whole square, and so on. Since this is for the angular frequency of small oscillation for the term x equals to 0, we can neglect the higher order terms of the x. So what we get here, so let me clean it first so that you can understand it. What we get here, that is f, that is here u we get as minus a into 1 minus k to the power 4 x square divided by 4. Okay, so we can write f equals to minus del u del x, so we will get it minus del u del x as minus a k to the power 4 into x. Okay, so now here omega square is minus a k to the power 4 divided by m. Since this is a simple harmonic motion, since the force terms is directly proportional to minus, here force term is equals to minus a into k to the power 4 into x. So we can write that this force term is proportional to minus x. So, or we can write it f equals to minus kx, where k is the spring constant for the simple harmonic motion. And we all know that for the simple harmonic motion, what is the relation between omega and k? Omega is directly proportional to root over k by m. So f is directly proportional to minus kx. So in terms of omega, we can write f is directly proportional to omega square x. If we write k in terms of omega, so here there will be an m term also. Okay, so omega k is directly, or we can write as k is directly proportional to k by m is directly proportional to omega square. So k is directly proportional to omega square into m. Okay, so f is directly proportional to omega square into x. Now we can write omega square is minus a k to the power 4 divided by m, as omega square is proportional to f divided by m. Okay, so here this term is the f term, that is a k to the power 4 and divided by m term. So omega square is minus a k to the power 4 by m, or omega we can write is, this is plus will be here because omega square here minus of term and minus term will be cancelled out. So we get omega equals to k square into root over a by m. Just find out the resultant omega. So what is the criteria here, or what is the fundamental formula that you should understand here? This is a very simple question, that first of all you need to expand this ux, okay, and you need to find out this ux term. So for the ux at x equals to 0, you get that ux equals to minus a k square x, and for x equals to 0 term, a k square x can be expanded and we take only the first order term, that is minus 1 minus k square x by 2 whole square, and then you take F equals to minus del U del X, that will be directly the proportional force, and we get here that this is a kind of simple harmonic motion where the force is directly proportional to minus X, and this force can be related with the K or the omega, as F is directly related to the omega square term, or F by m is directly related to omega square, and by comparing these two terms, that is F term is directly proportional to omega square X term, we can write that omega square equals to a k to the power 4 by m. So omega will be k square root over a by m. So the option B is the correct option. Hopefully you understand what is the basic fundamental thing we applied, and you don't need to mug up. Only you have to understand that what is the question and what will be the implementation. That's all. The logic will be given in your question. You have to only understand. Hopefully you like this video. Please do like our channel, subscribe to our channel. You can join our test series. If you have some inquiry, please follow our Telegram channel, our Facebook page Physics by IITians, and you also can contact or individually on our Telegram channel Shathi Das. Thank you.